Hey guys, today we are discussing about pulmonary tuberculosis. Pulmonary tuberculosis is an infectious disease that affects your lungs and also can spread to any part of your body. It is caused by organism Mycobacterium tuberculei and incubation period is 2 to 12 weeks. Mode of transmission is via droplet. It is a droplet infection that occurs when patient with pulmonary tuberculosis expels the organism into air by coughing, sneezing, talking. This organism will be then inhaled by other person and causes pulmonary tuberculosis in that person. People who are at high risk of getting pulmonary tuberculosis are old age people, person having close contact with infected person, immunosuppressive patient, people staying in overcrowded environment, person having malnutrition, and person who does smoking. Now, let's have a look on pathophysiology. Tubercular bacilli are expelled out as micro droplets during coughing, sneezing or talking by infected person. These droplets are then inhaled by other person. Inhaled tubercular bacilli get lodged in pulmonary alveoli, which causes inflammation and congestion in lungs. Later on, leukocytes, macrophages and histiocytes appear at the area of inflammation and process of phagocytosis begin. This process of phagocytosis fills alveoli with exudate and the central part of inflamed area is necrosed, which leads to appearance of signs and symptoms. The bacilli may enter in lymphatics and bloodstream and are carried to other part of body. Now, we will see what are the signs and symptoms you will see if person is having pulmonary tuberculosis. Constitutional signs and symptoms include fever, anorexia, fatigue, weight loss, weakness. Pulmonary signs and symptoms include dyspnea, chest tightness and pain, cough, mucopurulent sputum, and sometimes blood in sputum. It can be diagnosed by taking chest X-ray, sputum for acid-fast bacilli, bronchoscopy, and Montek's tuberculin test. Following are the complications of pulmonary tuberculosis: pleural effusion, TB meningitis, TB pneumonia, atelectasis. Pulmonary tuberculosis can be treated by taking anti-tubercular regime for 6 to 12 months. It includes medications like streptomycin, which is given 15 mg per kg, isoniazid or INH 5 mg per kg, rifampicin 10 mg per kg, pyrazinamide 15 to 30 mg per kg, ethambutol 15 to 25 mg per kg, ethanamide 15 mg per kg and cycloserine 15 mg per kg.